ONDS stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm showing you my exact play. And as the only guy in the space has done this for 42,000 videos over 5 years and documented it all, I've seen what's printing and what's not. So, ONDS related, yeah, you can see here, 163 at the time is when I called it out. It was, I think, below 163. Yeah, it was like 154. And that was a great call out. I kept it there, then kind of corrected. I'm looking for the same exact thing. Notice how we never got the double break here, then therefore I never moved forward. I'm looking for the same exact play. And honestly, I do think this might be the one. This might be the move, but if there is no double break, like always, I can even forget about buying this. Like, rules must be met before anything else, you know, besides it being all over the place. I'm not gonna just randomly buy. Now, if you want the exact process of mine, click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people have already tried it.